Have you ever wondered about the hidden forces shaping our world? Espionage, often called the world's second oldest profession, thrives on secrets. It's a world of shadows, whispers, spies, and secrets where information is power. And in the heart of the Asia-Pacific, one nation's espionage apparatus casts a long shadow: China. But how does China's thirst for information impact the Philippines? What are the methods behind their clandestine operations, and what are the implications for the future of this island nation? A new battlefield. We live in the information age, where technology and data are integral parts of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are constantly interacting with digital devices. Data is the new oil, powering economies, driving innovation, and shaping societies. But unlike oil, data is not a finite resource. It can be copied endlessly and transmitted at lightning speed, making it a unique and powerful asset. This creates a new kind of battlefield, one where wars are fought not with guns and bombs but with bytes and algorithms. Cybersecurity has become a critical concern for nations and organizations alike. And in this new battlefield, China is a formidable player. The nation has invested heavily in technology and cyber capabilities, positioning itself as a leader in the digital age. With a relentless pursuit of information, China's intelligence agencies employ various tactics to gather valuable data, from cyber espionage to sophisticated hacking techniques. More than meets the eye. Espionage is more than just cloak and dagger operations. It's a complex, multifaceted endeavor encompassing a wide range of activities designed to clandestinely gather information. One common misconception is that espionage is solely about stealing state secrets. While that's certainly a target, it also includes economic espionage, stealing trade secrets and intellectual property, and even cultural espionage, where the aim is to understand and influence foreign societies. China's espionage apparatus. China's espionage apparatus is vast and sophisticated. It includes a complex network of intelligence agencies, each with its specific areas of expertise. The Ministry of State Security, MSS, China's primary intelligence agency, is responsible for foreign intelligence gathering and counterintelligence operations. Meanwhile, the People's Liberation Army, PLA, also plays a significant role, with its strategic support force focusing on cyber warfare, electronic intelligence, and space operations. These agencies work together to collect information on a global scale, utilizing both traditional and cutting-edge techniques to stay ahead. The invisible threat. Cyber espionage, an invisible threat lurking in the shadows of our digital world, has become a primary tool for intelligence gathering. China has invested heavily in developing its cyber capabilities, creating a sophisticated network of hackers and cyber operatives. Their intelligence agencies are adept at penetrating foreign networks and stealing sensitive information, often leaving little to no trace. These activities target a wide range of sectors, including government, military, and commercial entities, seeking a strategic advantage. The impact of these cyber attacks can be devastating, compromising national security, economic competitiveness, and individual privacy. The ripple effects are felt across economies, eroding public trust in digital systems. The oldest trick in the book. Despite the advancements in technology, human intelligence, or HUMINT, remains a cornerstone of espionage. China's intelligence agencies are known to use blackmail, bribery, and even romantic entrapment to recruit human sources. These individuals, often in key positions such as government officials or defense contractors, can provide valuable insights and sensitive information. Stealing the future. Economic espionage has fueled China's rise as a global power. Its intelligence agencies target foreign companies and research institutions to acquire cutting-edge technologies and trade secrets. This relentless pursuit of intellectual property has helped China gain a competitive edge in various industries. A dangerous game. The South China Sea, an area rich in natural resources and a critical shipping route, has become a hotspot for geopolitical tensions. China's assertive actions, including constructing artificial islands and militarizing disputed features, have raised alarms in the region. Intelligence gathering plays a significant role here, with China's espionage activities focusing on the military capabilities and intentions of countries like the Philippines. A nation on edge. The Philippines, located in a strategically important region, faces a growing threat from China's espionage activities. From targeting military capabilities to government policies and economic sectors, China's actions pose serious risks to the Philippines' national security and economic competitiveness. Protecting Philippine sovereignty. The Philippines must take concrete steps to counter these threats. This includes strengthening its cybersecurity defenses, enhancing counterintelligence capabilities, and working closely with allies like the United States and Australia. Cooperation and shared intelligence are crucial in responding to the espionage threat posed by China. The quest for knowledge continues. Espionage has been a constant companion throughout human history, and in the digital age, it has taken on new dimensions. China's aggressive pursuit of information, especially with its focus on the Philippines, raises critical concerns about security and economic stability. As we navigate this complex and ever-evolving landscape, one thing remains certain. The need to understand these hidden forces shaping our world is more crucial than ever. Subscribe to Island Frontlines for more amazing content. Keep wondering and exploring the unseen forces that influence global events. Don't miss out on future explorations. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for updates, and follow us on social media to continue the conversation. Thank you for being part of the Island Frontlines community. Stay curious, and until next time, keep discovering.